Okay, guys, example number 3 says find the ratio of x to y. That means, oh, let me get that back. Okay, x to y. Yes? Now, guys, if I said find out what x is, could you get x by itself? Okay. If I said find out what y is, write it in function form, could you get y by itself? Okay. Well, for this one, they want us to make it on one side x over y equals something, some stuff. Okay? And they give us a hint. They say collect all the x terms on one side and all the y terms on the other. Okay. Well, let's do that. Edward, the first thing I want to do is what? Distribute. So that's going to give me 16x minus 24y is equal to 6x plus 6y. You agree? Beautiful. Now the hint, Ian, was to collect all the x terms on one side and the y terms on the other. What would you like to do first? Okay, let's subtract 6y from both sides. So that's going to give me negative 30y. So it's 16x minus 30y is equal to 6x. Okay, so now I have all the y's on one side. Joseph, what do you want to do now?
Divide by 6.
No, I don't want to divide by 6 yet. Remember the hint? Collect all the x's on one side and the y's on the other. I got the y's together.
Subtract 16x.
Joseph says let's subtract 16x from both sides. Okay, well let's do that. So that's going to leave me with negative 30y is equal to negative 10x. Okay, what would you do now? What would you do next, Max?
Well, I know that 30 is 3 times more than negative 10, so I'd probably divide negative 10 by 3.
I think I would just get the x by itself, just so it's by itself. All right? Because I want x over y, so I need to get x by itself. So this is going to cancel, and that just leaves me with x. What do I get on the other side? What do I get there, Jack? 3y. Now, wait a minute. Remember, we wanted the answer to be x over y. What could I do to this equation that I have so that I have x over y? Eric?
You put the x on the top
I could divide both sides
by 3.
by y. Now the y's cancel, right? And I have x over y is equal to 3. That's what I wanted. I wanted to know what is x over y. It's 3. The ratio of x to y. All right? You're going to have some in your homework like that. Simplify it out. Get the x's on one side. Get the y's on the other. And then divide by y. Okay, so that you just have x over y. All right. Good job, guys. Let's look at example 4.